Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Thanks for joining me. Today I have an unboxing of the April 2026 Lakeside Retreat Paper Pumpkin Kit. Been looking forward to getting this kit. Okay, we have a Peaceful Pine Stampin' Spot, which is a new in color. And our stamp set, which I'll get to in a minute. Okay, let's start out with our instruction sheet. So here are the suggested cards. Gorgeous lakeside scenery. Colors this month are Azure Afternoon, Balmy Blue, Cajun Craze, Crisp Cantaloupe, Gray Granite, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, Peaceful Pine, Pecan Pie, Pool Party, Soft Seafoam, and Very Vanilla. And the Crisp Cantaloupe is returning in color. And here is our stamp set images so that we can actually see them. We have lots of sentiments here, and they're all occasion. So it's not just for Father's Day, but we do have, Happy Father's Day and Dad and Son. We have Happy Birthday, Thanks, Older, Wiser, Better, You Are a Lifesaver, You Are an Inspiration. A little nautical rope and some birds and cattails. I think my favorite is the cattail. And the instructions for how to put them together for these photos here are right here. I've only put the ones together from the photos, I think, once. I just go off on my own tangents always. But anyway, so we have tear and tape adhesive, mini dimensionals, and some little embellishments that look like stones. And then this is a layer, a decorating layer. There's 3 of these. It's a nice mottled blue. Our envelopes, okay, they're all the same. There's 9 of them. This will be great for cutting up and acting like just regular old patterned paper. Card base number 1, and we have 3 of these. This is a gorgeous watercolor scene. Looks like you could be on any lake in Wisconsin, Minnesota, or Michigan. 3 of these, this wood pattern, very versatile. And these are not all just for masculine cards. It's more like outdoorsy. And our labels, we have loads of these. We have 4. Okay, they are different. They are a little different in size. So there's 4 of this size. 4 of that one. And then 4 that have the curved edge. And then these labels, again, we have 4 of each. And another card base with nautical stripes. And again, 3 of those. And then our die cuts. These are awesome. This looks like Mackinac Island in Michigan. One of my favorite places to visit. And we have 3 sheets of these. Oh, and then look at these die cut pieces. These are awesome. This one here is almost out, so let's pop this one out. Love this circle. Reminds me of the Spotlight in Nature die set, which would be great to mix in with this. And then these are little signs. Oh, look at that. Hang on here. Isn't that adorable? And there is a matching set of add-on dies. They used to have the photo here of what the add-on dies look like. I do have them ordered, but I don't have them yet. They should be coming any day now. But I didn't want to postpone this unboxing video. Love these colors together. These are just fantastic. So cute. This is a fabulous paper pumpkin kit. And voila, you are on Mackinac Island, Michigan. This is the start of some of the suggested ways to put them together. I can see easily doubling and tripling what we can get out of this set by cutting these off and using them for different cards. Be on the lookout for my alternatives coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.